Hey, Brian.
Hey,
John
how's
Briggs.
it going?
It's going great. Somebody was silly enough to actually let me loose in your factory, so I've heard you're going to be the guy who's leading me on the tour.
Sure will.
All right.
Be more than happy to show you around.
So how big? I mean, this place is enormous. How many square feet do you have roughly in the facility?
About 250,000 square foot.
Wow. Boy, 250,000 square feet. It's enormous. So I can see there's an area where you've cabinets that are already finished or standing and ready to go, but you're going to basically take me through the whole process from raw wood to finished cabinets.
To a finished product.
All right.
Yes, I will.
All right, let's get going.
All right.
So it looks like we got big pieces of wood here. Is this where the whole process starts?
Yes, all of our sheet stock comes in and we order it by a run-in history in our ERP system. And when we do a run-in history, it keeps our levels low so we don't have a lot of extra sheet stock around.
So Brian, it looks like those big pieces we were looking at before, they gotten a lot smaller. How did that happen?
Well, John, as they came through all our saws, we have two saws here. We have a saw that we strip everything out, which means we cut it in long pieces.
Right.
And then we strip it out, we send it to another saw where we start cutting it down to the small pieces you see here. Once they come through this area here, they are now a cabinet component.
Hey, Wendy, my name's John Briggs.
John, nice to meet you. Welcome.
Thanks a lot. This is quite a place. It's very big.
It's a phenomenal place, that's for sure.
Wendy, how long have you been working here at Canyon Creek?
1 week short of 11 years.
Wow, that is a long time.
It is a long time.
I wanted to ask you, I'm writing this book entitled Simply American, Putting Our Extended American Family Back to Work. And what I'm doing is the point of the book is to let Americans know that the kind of products they buy and where they made, that's important in my idea. Do you share that idea? Do you think it's important?
I think it's absolutely important.
Why do you think it's important?
Oh, well, I think that keeping jobs in America keeps our economy strong, brings pride to our families, and just is all around a better product.
Thanks a lot. It was wonderful meeting you, and keep up the good work. You're doing good work. I can tell.
We are doing fabulous work. In fact, I have my own cabinets going down the line right now.
So those are going to go in your house?
They're actually going to go in my mother-in-law's house.
Oh, your mother-in-law's house. Well,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
Yeah, my husband and I have done cabinet layouts, so we're on our 4th kitchen for our family members.
Wow. Hey, my name's John Briggs.
How you doing? I'm Julius Kimbrough.
Julius, it's great meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell me, Julius, what this giant machine behind us is?
It's a paternoster. That's what we call it. It's sort of something like an elevator, I would think so. But
Okay.
But what it does is it's the parts that we can't hang on the line on the other side of the finished room.
Right.
The bigger parts.
Right.
This machine handles it for us.
It's enormous. I can't believe how big it is.
It's a beautiful thing, man. It's beautiful. So,
This here is what we call our color easel. Anything that a customer sends in a special color that they like or one that they've seen, if they can get us a piece of it or a patch of it or even a piece of drywall. We had one color that the lady had a piece of drywall that was yellow and wanted the white from the drywall coming through.
Right.
They sent that in and that's what we matched. And this is all custom matches that's a preference to our customers, and you can definitely see the color arrangements. They go from a white colored all the way to a blue, to a dark blue, to a gold, and I mean and paints are really popular today. And this is some of the processes we go through. That we make the color. These folks over here, we have a representative from our paint supplier or themselves here every day.
Wow.
They sign off on all this, and this is something that we can repeat, and it goes back to our customer. This part here is our assembly, where we assemble all the cabinets, whether big or small. But once again, yes, you start with big, and then small, and big, and goes to small, and then you're back to big again. And this is the end product that you'll receive in your house. Different sizes and colors and various shapes, but it's still a big piece compared to what we just witnessed a few minutes earlier.
So Brian, I can't thank you enough. Absolutely fascinating day, meeting your employees, seeing how you do the business of putting together cabinets, and I'm going to talk to my wife and find out which one we're going to get, but I wanted to thank you very much for all your time and all your help, and we'll see you soon.
All right, thanks. It was a great pleasure having you here, and feel free to bring your wife next time.
Oh, all right.
Thanks,
Talk to
John.
you later. See ya.
All right.
Well, I had a great visit at Canyon Creek Cabinet Company here in Monroe, Washington. just north of Seattle where I live, and met some great people, saw some great cabinets being made, and came up with some great ideas for possibly some cabinets for our kitchen back at our house. So I wanted to say thanks to everybody at Canyon Creek, and goodbye to you. And this is John Briggs with Simply American signing off.